All right, the second part of the video. Apologize for the first part cutting up so abruptly, but I believe you understand the example. Just having some technical issues, but I promise to make this video and I insist I'm going to make it no matter the challenges I face. So let's move into the second way to take these entries. Second way is by adding the moving average. We're going to be using the 200 moving average. If you want, you can use the 30 moving average, the 30 exponential moving average. But for me, I'm making use of the 200 simple moving average. And in case you do not know how to do that, let's go into the charts, trend, moving average. I'm going to be changing this to 200. And I'm going to change this to simple, shift to 0, apply the close. I'm going to click on OK. Yes. So how do we use this? How do we use this? It's quite simple. So quite like when price is below on the higher time frame. So let's say we're using the 30 minutes as our time frame. Let me see if this will show through. I was having difficulties with it. Let me add another right here. Let's see for ourselves. So let's say price is trending below and we have the arrow for sell. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go down to the 15 minutes time frame and look for sell entries. Sell entries. And is it this that we found? Okay, that's it. That's it. So right here at this point, although this didn't play out, price was ranging. But come on, let me see. I'm having some issues. Okay, so if you were aggressive enough to enter without the arrow from this point, you would have been in deep profits. At a pullback, you would have entered. This would have still been profitable. You would have entered, you stop above the arrow, and you exit when the second arrow appeared. Same for this place. That's on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me close this up. How we can check for more. Okay, so if I should choose to use the H1 as my higher time frame, then you see that my bias has changed. So I will now be dealing with this. I will only take buy entries. Now let's see how this must have played out in the M30. I have to delete this. I'm going to have to delete this, guys. So sorry, guys. I'm having issues with my reception. As you can see, I have the lines pointed out here, but when I go back to the 30 minutes, I can't seem to find. But at least you get what I mean. You get what I mean. But as you can see, when price was above, you take buys. Get it? This thing is troubling me. Sorry, guys. So you take only buys when price is above. Okay, let me just put it simply since this is having issues. When price is above in the higher time frame of your analysis, come down to the lower time frame of your entry and take entries in the direction of that. So that means that if price is above the H1 and you want to take your entries on the M30, Come and wait for price to be above the 200 moving average with this arrow popping up. And then you take your buys, your stops below, and watch the market rise. Do not go against the trend. I do not know why I'm having difficulties with this reception today. I apologize for that, but I believe that you get the general idea. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, leave a comment down below. That is one way to support me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.